Hello.
Hello. Yeah, now the recording has started. Okay. Hello. Hello, Arna. Hello. How are you, Arna?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. And you?
I'm also good, Arna. I met you some 2 months back, I remember. Right?
Yes, I also remember. I wasn't hurt and 8 years old, right?
Yeah, yes. So
And
now,
now I've grown up. I'm now in fourth and in nine now.
so that time you spoke to me, you were in class 3. Okay.
Yes.
And now you have passed and you are in class 4. And you have
Yes.
become a little taller and you have grown up a little. So,
Yes.
and you, yeah.
Yes. Yes. It has always happened. So when our age increases, our size increases too.
Okay, yeah, that is with you. Yeah, that is the thing with you. That's say your class has also increased. Okay, your height has increased. Both the things. Okay, so
Yes.
so your clothes must be becoming shorter day by day, right?
No, they still fit me. They will become obviously short when I become a teenager.
Okay, yeah. Okay, that's good. So what are you doing in your holidays?
Well, it's really fun, but I haven't planned to go somewhere because it's really hot.
Yeah,
So I thought,
absolutely, absolutely. It's extreme hot everywhere, everywhere, extreme hot. So yeah, Arna, you first give me your introduction because some viewers of ours must be they'll watch for the first time. So you give me your introduction first, then I will be giving mine.
okay, so as you know, my name is Arna Shukla. I already told you I'm 9 years old. I'm in fourth class. I study in a public school. I live in the state of Madhya Pradesh, in the capital of Bhopal. And if you want to ask about my hobbies, I love to learn new languages, dancing, singing, and lots of other things. This is all about me.
Okay. So if you talk about your hobbies, so you don't you like play something? Is it some of
Yes,
your favorite game? What is your favorite game?
my favorite game is hopscotch and badminton and basketball.
Oh, basketball. You play basketball
Yes, at school.
in the school. Okay.
And
Okay.
whenever I go to outside to play, I play badminton and hopscotch.
Okay. Then, while playing basketball, are you able to throw the ball in the net? Can you throw it very easily?
No, but I never give up. I try practicing. In we just practice dribbling and just throwing the ball to the hoop. The practice is fun. That's why it's my favorite game at school.
Okay. And if we talk about your study, then which subject is your favorite?
My favorite subject is science, English, and a little bit of math.
Okay. Maths too. Okay. You're so intelligent. Okay. Maths too. You love to. I think you like maths. Okay. But when I was
I
your age, when I was
I
your
said
age,
I said I like math a little bit because some of the topics in
okay.
math, some of them are really tough.
Okay, you give a little preference to maths. Okay, I got it. Okay. Even when I was your age, I was so terrified with the subject maths. I used to just have a pass marks in maths. I could pass the maths in the maths exam, but I loved reading all the subjects. I would get good marks in all the subjects, but in maths I never got good marks because
And I don't like maths, but I always get a little bit good marks in maths and lessons in Hindi.
Hindi. Okay, okay, okay. So, Arna, don't you get bored sitting at home all the day? In the evening, do we go outside somewhere to play?
Well, not that often.
Okay. So, what you do the whole day? Like you read some storybooks or watch TV. What do you do the whole day?
I would play
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I would play with my siblings. I have a younger brother. I would tell about that later. And I watch a little bit of TV, read my storybooks, and when my mother comes, I do my online class, which happen in 4 p.m. but to 5 p.m. And sometimes at 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. And after that, I go outside to play. My friend Shivanshi calls me how to play, but now she's not my friend because I don't know the reason. And
Okay. Some
that's how I do the whole day.
some some quarrel happened between you both. You don't like her.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's okay. So you patch up again with her someday? You don't like to patch up with her? No.
She's a bad girl. So she always sometimes whenever I do something good, whenever I know something a little bit, then she would be angry at me, and I don't like it because when it was my first time playing badminton, I got it a little bit. Then my friend was teaching me, but I couldn't hit the cock away. But I sometimes I could,
Okay.
so she would get angry at me. That's why I got cutty with her.
Okay, leave her aside. You must be having many friends, okay? Yeah.
Yes, also friends at school.
Okay. So yeah, I want to have one question to you that Arna, why you love to, I mean to say, you want to develop more and more English. Actually, you
Yes,
speak very well. Actually, you speak very well. But beside that, you want to develop more. Is it that?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
So what you do for that? Daily, what you do to practice? I mean to say, for the practice of English, what you do daily? Do you read? Do you listen something English content? What you do?
I would listen to some English videos, practice in the mirror, and read some English newspapers for some vocabularies. A newspaper called Hindustani Times, and also Young Haskar is an English magazine, a really fun one. And also some English songs, stories, and English cartoons. I like it when the practice is entertaining and educational.
Oh, that's good. Okay. So one day, no, I was watching one of your video with I don't remember the other person's name. I was watching your video. It's been long, when I was watching your video. In that video, you were telling something that the many capitals of all countries. Is it that many of the
Yes,
countries?
yes,
Do you?
yes. I also made a song with it. Can I sing it to you?
Yeah, of course. Why not? Yes, I would love to hear. Yes.
Okay. Ottawa of Canada, Vienna of Cuba, Washington D.C., USA, Mexico City, Mexico, Brasilia of Brazil, Santiago of Chile, Montevideo, Uruguay, Lima of Peru, Paris, France, Berlin, Germany, Rome of Italy, London, Cape Town, Sicily, Madrid, Spain, Athens of Greece, Prague of Czech Republic, Amsterdam, Netherlands, Moscow of Russia, Seoul, South Korea, Beijing, China. Mm, this much I can remember.
Very nice, very nice. So fantastic, very nice. Wow, so great.
As
How
you
did you learn it? Yeah, it's so tough. How did you learn it? Again
well,
and again. Yeah, it's
well,
very nice.
when I was very young, when I was a little tot, my
Okay.
parents wanted me to learn something new, like geography. I know it's a teenager subject for teenagers, like for grown-up children. But still they wanted to teach me. So I learned all of the country's capitals, but it was a long time ago, so I don't remember them much. That's why I made a little song with it.
But in this Pakistan's capital, you know the capital of Pakistan?
Islamabad.
Yes, yes. Oh, so great. You're so intelligent girl. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. And you are in class fourth, so much of, you have knowledge. Okay. So See, when I was your age, when I was in class 4th, so since then, I wanted to learn English, but I didn't get anybody to speak with me. And these days, I'm getting to speak with everybody like you. So what happened? Yeah, you, yeah. So, and you are so young. And what will happen when you grow that big, like me? That time, your English must be so good.
Yes,
But
I
I
think.
could not get anybody to speak. When I was young, I didn't have a practice to speak in English. Nobody was there to speak with. And nowadays,
But
there is so much. Yeah.
when I practice, I would also speak with my younger brother. He speaks English a little bit, but as fantastic as me. He doesn't speak that fluent, but his English is a little bit British to me too.
Oh. And he's in class. Which class he is?
KG1.
KG1. Okay. Okay. Hmm. So your school will reopen in July, right?
In 18 June.
Oh, so early in 18 June.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, it was. Yes, it all. Yes, my summer vacation started in 2nd of May, and it will end in 18 June.
Okay. So you got your homework to do at home from the school. You got your homework also?
Yes, yes, whatever homework I got from the group initiators class force, and I did, and I took a printout of all the questions and the homework, and I did completed it all. I also made the charts of it.
So your work is finished now. Everything finished.
Not yet. There's a little bit more left.
Okay. So I can see that your nose is pierced, right?
Yes.
But last time when I spoke to you, that time you didn't had your nose pierced. That time also?
Um. Actually, I don't. Actually, I don't remember much. I only remember that I talked to you. I don't remember if it was pierced or not.
Okay. And here's also, yes. Show me.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
Pro
Yeah.
earrings.
Yeah, it looks pretty. It looks so pretty. Okay.
Yes, it's a golden earring.
Yeah, my mobile now it's showing that I'm on low battery. Maybe we don't get disconnect. Okay, it's okay now, Arna. Anna, you remember one thing? In our last meeting, I have told something similar to your name. I told no, like your name is Arna, and something
Yes,
I told you. Do you remember?
to
No.
be honest, no, because it was too back.
Okay. Yeah, it was too bad. I told you that your name is Arna and my granddaughter's name is Ahana.
Anna,
Yeah. Her name is Ahana. Ahana. Ahana.
Asane, Anna,
Yeah.
Anna rhymes.
Yeah. So yeah.
But
Again we'll connect.
the spelling is different, right? It's double ARNA for me.
Yeah, I know your name, Arna. And your
Yes,
name, like some goddess's name is there, no?
yes,
Arna.
yes, Goddess Lakshmi.
Okay, goddess is Lakshmi. Okay. Were you born near Diwali? When is your birthday?
My birth, my birthday is in 23rd of April.
Oh, it passed away your birthday. Okay, in April.
Yes.
I missed wishing you. If I would, if I knew that his birthday is in 20th of April, definitely I would wish you.
And
Okay.
but great, you will be wished by me because I remember birthday date. It's 23rd of December, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, you still remember? So great, my
Yes.
God. Okay. Yeah, I had told you that we share the same date. Okay.
Yes, but the month is just yes, but the month is the same. Mine is in April, yours is in December.
Yeah, I'm so happy that you still remember. Okay. And thanks for remembering me. Okay. So,
You're welcome.
Arna, I was about to call you Ahana because I'm in the habit of calling Ahana no over the phone and videos. Daily I talk to her. So I was not right now. I was about to call Ahana to you, Arna. Okay. So Arna, let us not disconnect because it's time also, and my mobile is showing it's on low battery.
Okay, okay, let's wrap up. I also have to do some other work.
Okay, bye Arna then.
Bye.
Okay, and thanks for connecting me. Whenever I call you, come to me, okay?
Okay.
Bye
Bye.
Arna, bye. Yes, bye-bye.